Hey everyone, want to use camera controls in Runway ML? In this video, I'll show you how to create cinematic camera movements in your AI videos step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Runway ML website. Sign in to your account and open your dashboard. Next, start a new project and choose an AI video tool, such as asterisk text to video asterisk or image to video asterisk, depending on your workflow. Now upload your image or enter a text prompt describing the scene you want to create. Look for the asterisk camera controls asterisk options if they are available in your version of Runway ML. I mean, these controls let you guide how the virtual camera moves during the video. Choose the camera movement you want, such as a zoom in, zoom out, pan left, pan right, tilt, orbit, tracking shot, or cinematic dolly movement. Adjust the motion strength, speed, or direction settings to create subtle or dramatic camera effects. You can also include camera instructions in your prompt to help the AI understand the style of movement you want. Click Generate Asterisk and wait while Runway ML creates your video. Once the video is ready, preview the result and refine the camera settings if needed to achieve smoother and more cinematic motion. Finally, export your completed video in your preferred quality and save it to your device. And that's how to use camera controls in Runway ML. With the right camera movements and prompt instructions, you can create professional-looking AI videos with dynamic cinematic effects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.